Hello everyone, it's Chef Marissa Catanzaro. Today we're going to be preparing Pasticelle di Natale. The recipe will be in my cookbook, The Next Generation. Let's get started. Drop the chocolate in this pot, my espresso on it, and place it on the stove, making the fudge. Add the rest of the ingredients. To prepare the crust for the pasticelle, I'm going to mix it together. I'm going to roll this dough. As you can see, it's very thin, and start cutting it into little circles. Put a little smudge of chocolate in the middle and shape them into little pockets. To be cooked about a minute on each side, and see they're beautifully golden and really hot honey. And I'm drizzling it over the pasticelle. My beautiful pasticelle, they're all done. These pasticelles are very dear to me because my mom made them when I was a little girl. Buon Natale, everybody. Merry Christmas.